So 65cc class round 3 here in Baras Rizal sa 2025 championship. So nandyan natin pambato ng Mindanao, RG Bomba Malayo. Wow! Oh! Kara, Ethan Lopez got the whole shot. Wow! So leading it's Ethan Lopez, Rio Remulacio, RJ Bomba Malayo, Prince Mata. Wow, 0-34. Nakalimutan ko. Wow. So Uno Baltao. Wow. Ethan Lopez, Rio Remulacio, RG Bomba Malayo, Prince Mata. And then, oy! Safe lang. Okay lang. So, let's Ethan Lopez, Rio Remulacio, RG Bomba Malayo, Prince Mata. Grabe. Ang lakas guys, ang lakas ng mga rider na to. Wow, grabe. So leading, ay nakuha si Bomba Malayo ni Prince Mata. Leading pa rin, it's Ethan Lopez, pride of USA. Wow. So Ethan Lopez, Rio Remulacio second, Prince Mata. Whoop. Bomba Malayo on fourth. Bombahe. Oh, nang lupad ng mga bubuyog. So Pepe is Uno Baltao. Sayang si Gray. Sumemplang. Wow. Gandang laban guys. Uy, sumemplang. Sumemplang si Gray. Wow. So still leading Ethan Lopez. Ethan Lopez, Prince Mata na on second, Rio Remulacio, RG Bomba Malayo on fourth. Wow. Sayang si Gray. Uno Baltao on fifth. Wow. So, leading it's Ethan Lopez, pero Prince Mata, andyan lang sa likuran. Wow. Rio Remolacio, Bomba Malayo on fourth. Wow. Prince Mata versus Ethan Lopez. Oh. Dito. Wow. So, Ethan Lopez versus Prince Mata. Wow, RJ Bomba Malayo on fourth. Last lap. Last lap for Ethan Lopez and Prince Mata. Wow. Last lap. Rio Remolacio and RJ Bomba Malayo on fourth. Wow. Namamayagpag ang Batang Amerika, Ethan Lopez. Wow, grabe. Prince Mata on second, Rio Remolacio on third, RJ Bomba Malayo on fourth. Dikit ang laman, guys. Uy! Wow! Ay! Ayun, nakuha sa inside si Ethan Lopez. Uno. Wow! Nakuha sa inside si Lopez. Wow! Gandang bakbakan. Wow! Oh, lingo-lingo, Rio Remolacio. So, champion for round 365, Prince Mata. Wow! Gandang laban. Ethan Lopez on second, Prince Mata on champion. Third, it's Rio Remolacio. Fourth, Bomba Malayo and Uno Baltao. Gandang laban, guys. Then sino to?